A career woman is only a woman. Eve teasing is street sexual harassment and forcible rape is simply rape. These corrections in sexual stereotypes are part of a handbook for judges and other legal practitioners released on Wednesday by Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud. This is what the handbook states, and I quote, "Where the language of judicial discourse reflects antiquated or incorrect ideas about women, it inhibits the transformative project of the law and the Constitution of India, which seek to secure equal rights to all persons, irrespective of gender." But what is the handbook? The Supreme Court Handbook is a 30-page booklet that aims to assist judges and the legal community in identifying, understanding, and combating stereotypes about women. The handbook identifies common stereotypical words and phrases used about women, many of them routinely found in judgments. For example, in the 2017 Supreme Court ruling awarding the death penalty for convicts in the Delhi gang rape case, the verdict repeatedly uses the word ravished to say raped. This is what the court had said, and I quote, "It is absolutely obvious that the accused persons had found an object for enjoyment in her and, as is evident, they were obsessed with the singular purpose sans any feeling to ravish her as they liked, treat her as they felt, and if we allow ourselves to say, the gross sadistic and beastly instinctual pleasures came to the forefront when they, after ravishing her, thought it to be just a matter of routine to throw her along with her friend out of the bus and crush them." The handbook quotes other judgments where judges unwittingly use stereotypical characterizations of women. Here's a snippet of what the handbook looks like that helps combat gender stereotype. Some of the changes also include concubine keep, for which the suggestion is, and I quote, "woman with whom a man has had romantic or sexual relations outside of marriage." For a woman of easy virtue, simply woman. For child prostitute, a child who has been trafficked. For hormonal, which is used to describe a woman's emotional state, the use of a gender-neutral term to describe the emotion, example compassionate or enthusiastic, is prescribed. Now that being said, why is it important for judges to use the right words? The handbook argues that the language a judge uses reflects not only on their interpretation of the law, but their perception of society as well. This is what the handbook states. Even when the use of stereotypes does not alter the outcome of a case, stereotypical language may reinforce ideas contrary to our constitutional ethos. Language is critical to the life of the law. Words are the vehicle through which the values of the law are communicated. Words transmit the ultimate intention of the lawmaker or the judge to the nation. So, were there any similar efforts in other countries? There have been projects in other countries pushed by both academia and practitioners which hold up a mirror for the court's practices. For example, the Women's Court of Canada, a collective of female lawyers, academics, and activists, write, and I quote, "shadow judgments on equality law." In India, the Indian Feminist Judgment Project also rewrites judgments with a feminist critique. It is led by Advocate Jhuma Sen, Dr. Aparna Chandra at the National Law School of India University in Bangalore, and Dr. Rachna Chaudhary at the Ambedkar University in Delhi.